Hi guys, I'm here to share with you a recipe that I love. We're gonna make some fried ribs. Okay, so let me show you how I do it. Okay guys, if you have the pork ribs already cut, let's do some seasoning. Hygiene is very important to us. So let me wear my gloves so I don't get that grease on my hands. Let's use some salt. Now I'm gonna use some white vinegar that I already got mixed with garlic and rosemary. Make sure you put enough, but don't overdo it. Then you put some coloring that you can get this at the Spanish store. That's called bijol. You mix this real good. I used to squeeze some lemons about now, but the lemons make your ribs stick to the bottom of the pot, so I don't like that. So you better leave the lemons to the end. When they're ready, you can squeeze it on the top. Let's put some oil in the pot with the ribs. Let's set the heat on medium because we don't want the ribs to fry. We want them to boil like for around 20 or 30 minutes. You need to cover the pot and let it boil. Boil, check them once in a while and move them around so they don't stick to the pot. Move them real good so they don't stick. Let's check them now. The way we know when they are ready to fry is because the bone is getting loose from the meat. So that's the time that you raise the heat and let them fry now. Uncover the pot and wait until they get brown and crunchy. The reason that we boil them first is because the meat gets soft, so you cook the meat first and they come juicy. That's why we boil them first and then we fry them, because inside they're juicy, but outside they're gonna be crunchy. That's the way we boil them first. And you see, they come out like this, like brown, like wow, so good. Now I'm gonna squeeze some lime or lemon if you prefer. Also, I fried some sweet bananas for this dish. I'm gonna fry some more on my air fryer. Later on, I'm gonna show you how to use the air fryer in another video. I'm gonna show you how juicy is the inside. Look how juicy it is. And the outside is crunchy. Outside crunchy, inside juicy. Let me see. Enjoy, delicious. Tenemos las costillas. Ay, un momento. Recomendación: no vayan a estornudar encima de las costillas y las sazonen ahí. No, ustedes se retiran y hacen su estornudo y vuelven.